Hey guys, it's KAWAII CHEETAH and okay, I did this run. And I am here with you guys in murder mystery. And we're here with Cool Cat, Cutie, and was Cloud the leopard, but she by accident got out the game. For some reason, I don't know. It was by accident though, so it sucks. So she's not in the game right now, but she is gonna be soon. I'm gonna stay right here. Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here. So, see people passing by. Hopefully that's not the murderer. She's just trying to go by her day. Okay, so we gotta be safe. We gotta be safe. Okay. I don't know what I would do. Oh no, I just heard a gun. Actually, that's a good thing. But not if they think I'm the murderer. So I am going to try and find like somewhere where I am safe. So I'm gonna tell her there. There we go. Okay, this girl said, "Hi, Cheetah." Hi, girl. Hi. 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 So, oh snap. He thought I was the murderer. Hi. Wait, I am. Oh my gosh, I didn't know. Yes. Oh, okay. Oops. I did press 1. Is it time? Yes, it is. I feel open. I don't know how that happened. Okay, so I did bad. Oh, it looks like the sheriff got me. It was pretty obvious. I killed 2 girls at once. Okay. So we have Cool Cat, we have Cutie, and hopefully soon the leopard. And so it's been 3 minutes. I know. Eli, I had a feeling you were the murderer. I did not know myself. I did not know myself. Okay, so I'm the sheriff. That's good. Very good, very good. So I'm the sheriff, so I have to make sure that I'm safe. Let me tell her. I'm the sheriff. It is KAWAII CHEETAH. So I told her that I'm sheriff. Oh no! If I was paying attention, I could have saved their lives, but I didn't. It's a guy over there in a green pants. Yeah. was the sheriff. I was the sheriff. Bad sheriff. I know. I know. Right? I know, right? I know, right? Yeah, you did not do good, I'm guessing. I know that I did really did bad. I know I really did bad. So I did terrible, and I know I did terrible. It's horrible. It's even horrible when you know you did bad. That's me. I did really bad. So, it's been 6 minutes. We have about 9 more minutes to make this video. So, I am going to try to win next round. And if I win, please press that like button. But if I don't, then I don't know. Just press the like button to help me get better. It'll mean a lot to me if you press the like button. 8 more minutes. Okay. I'm gonna say I have blonde hair and a suit. I have blonde hair and a suit. So, I am looking for her. Okay, I just did that because I wanted the coins, okay? So I have blonde hair and a suit on. Hopefully she finds me. Oh, okay, that's a glitch. It's a big glitch. So, let's go in here. Okay. So, it's kind of messed up how they like lock your mouse and you can't do anything. Kind of messed up, but okay. I'm gonna tell her I'm in the vents, but she wouldn't know what type of where of the vents I'm in. So, yay! I survived. Go like that button. Oh, and subscribe if you haven't already. So, 8 minutes. So we have about how much more minutes do we have? 9. Okay, so we have when it turns like 10, then we have 5 minutes. It's 9, so we have 6 more minutes to make the video, and hopefully I don't like mess up on this track. Then we have a nice time. Yes. So, what is Omni Self? Okay, so it didn't let me type anything. Very good, here's some more. Cool cat. Okay, so I wonder where Cool Cat is, because I don't know and I don't know. Oh no, I think I just went in a room with the murderer and I died. Yeah, I died for sure. It's stuck. Yeah, I died. Yep. Okay. Perfect. So perfect. Okay. I have 90, so I could buy a common box. So let's unlock it. Let's see what we get. Hopefully we get something good because we don't have much good stuff. I think it's like, ooh, I like that. Oh no. Okay. Oh yay. Okay, good. Wait, is it yay? Yay. Okay, so I got kinda looks like, actually it's good. I think it's good. There you go. So now I have 40. Just 10 more. And I'm good. Okay, it's been 11 minutes. I have about 5 more minutes to make a video. So in the 3 more minutes I'm gonna stop the video because I don't want to take any risk, you know. I'm gonna tell her died too. Me too, because she said I died. So yeah, so and me too, and I actually like her outfit. It's cute. Who are you? Ugly. Let's say I'm innocent. I am a girl. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Let me tell her. Cheetah, it's cheetah. I'm cheetah. Neat. Okay, so we gotta win this together. I don't trust those people. Yeah, I can't trust them. Okay, that actually just hurt my eyes when it just flashed black. Okay, so that was that's good. So I think we should, oh snap, mad flips, bro. Mad flips. So let me tell her. Let's stop the vid. Let's stop the vid. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, so bye guys. Have a wonderful day. And don't be nice, be sweet, be wonderful. Love you guys so much. Bye.